Hey guys, I wanted to make a quick video about this Hoover SMARTWASH, excuse me, SMARTWASH carpet cleaner, carpet brush cleaner, shampooer. And for me, the problem I'm having with it is just wash dry lights keep coming on at the same time. Now, normally when you go forward, the wash, it sprays out water, and then when you go backwards, it sucks it up and it says dry. When I turn it on, both come on, and I'm telling you how to fix it right now. What you want to do is first unplug it. Okay, you're gonna want to release this. You want to take off the water tank, remove the reservoir, and we're gonna do a reset. This is what they call a reset. So you simply lift this out. Okay, that comes right off. Now there's some type of there's computer in here that recognizes that everything is off. I think this especially. And now what you're gonna do is plug it back in. And it's important that you unplug and plug it back in, because that's part of the reset. So I've got it plugged out here in the hallway. I'm gonna unplug it, wait for about 3 seconds, let it do its thing. And then I'm gonna re-plug it in, y'all. This is what you need to do. Now come back to the unit. You want to hit handle release first. A lot of times I was doing like this. No, guys. You want to lean it back first before you start with this machine, or it'll keep doing it over and over. You keep having this problem, so make sure you tilt it back. I'm trying to do this with one hand. Okay, and now you're gonna do it, and it should say, when I go forward, it should say wash, and when I pull back, it should say dry. Now it's working right. Back, dry, wash. Sometimes you have to put everything back on after you do the reset, and then it starts working again. So try that, y'all. If that works for you, it worked for me, and it's a good cleaner, except for that one little glitch that happens. So if both of the lights stay on, that's what you have to do. Hope that helps.